They say the last place you're truly free is inside your own head. So what happens when that place gets a login? Not someday, not in science fiction. Now, Neuralink isn't just about curing disease. It's about opening a door humanity has never opened before, and not knowing who else might walk through. At first, it sounds beautiful. A man who couldn't move moves a cursor with his mind. A woman who lost her voice speaks again without lips. A body reconnects with the world. It feels like a miracle, and miracles make us careless. Because every miracle rewrites the rules. For decades, the brain was untouchable, studied slowly, protected by ethics. Then tech culture arrived, move fast, disrupt, and the brain stopped being sacred. It became a platform. Neuralink began with a simple idea. What if thoughts could talk directly to machines? That idea changes everything, because thoughts aren't just data. They're fears you hide, impulses you suppress, desires you never say out loud. Once something can be read, it can be stored. Once it's stored, it can be analyzed. And once it's analyzed, it can be influenced. We believe our thoughts are private by default. But the brain has no firewall. A device that treats depression today can shape behavior tomorrow. Not control, guidance. You feel calm where anger once protected you. You hesitate where resistance once lived, and you assume it's still you. That's the danger. Mental privacy has never needed protection before. Phones know what you click, cameras know what you see, but none of them know what you think. The moment a machine does, privacy doesn't get violated. It disappears. And history is clear about one thing. Every powerful technology starts helpful, then becomes profitable, then becomes political. The internet connected us. Algorithms personalized us. Now they shape beliefs, and they never even touch the brain. So what happens when influence skips the screen and goes straight to the source? Picture a courtroom, not asking what you did, but what you intended. Neural data as evidence, silence as suspicion. Extreme? So was mass surveillance. Once. And then there's consent. You agree to the implant. But do you agree to updates, to models trained on millions of minds? If your thoughts improve the system, who owns the result? And if the company changes hands, where do your thoughts go? This isn't about villains. It's about incentives. A system that understands the human mind has unimaginable value. Not to control you loudly, but to nudge you quietly. The scariest part isn't losing free will. It's believing you still have it. And yet, the hope is real. Locked in patients speak. Broken minds heal. Lives return. So we're standing between two futures. One where Neuralink is remembered as a medical miracle, and one where it marks the end of mental privacy. Both are possible. Right now, because the real question isn't how far this goes. It's this. When your thoughts are no longer just yours, what does freedom even mean?